Yo, GoPro. So let me ask this: how come you guys aren't innovating like Apple? You have like an Apple-like following as far as your product, but you're not innovating. So I was thinking, as I'm using this, because I'm an engineer, so you know, problem solving. ROG has a gaming phone that has built-in fans that come on to help keep the temperature regulated for extended use. Also, your batteries, dude, there's so much new technology out there now. You can have these same compact batteries with much more life in them. Your batteries need to be at least 2,000 to 2,200 milliamp hours. And you need to have cooling fans that vent, I wouldn't say, not necessarily up, I would say to the side, to the left side, because I think most people keep their microphones on the right. Or put in the media mod. The media mod has a vent, a pass-through. For those of us who do content creation, like us who do vlogging, there's an opening on one side and the fan pulls air across the, I don't like you. I don't like the way the truck's driving. It pulls air across the GoPro to the other side if you can't put in the GoPro itself. In fact, you need to be able to put in the GoPro and on the media mod. They need to be a double, kind of like a double, what's the phrase? That's not complicated. It needs to be able to double the capacity of the cooling. Or you can use the front of the GoPro till air comes in and it gets pulled out through the media mod or the rear of or the side of the GoPro. That's for your engineers to figure out. I'm glad to design it for you, but I'm in charge, man. I'll design it, but y'all pay me. I'll design it, man. What you don't want me to do is create a media mod of my own damn self. That might be, you know, that might be the ticket. There it goes. See here.